What up, y'all? I just want to do a review on this toothache Red Cross medication. Instant relief. I can tell y'all right now, I've been dealing with this hardcore pain for like a week now. I couldn't get no damn sleep. I can't focus on shit. I just can't focus on nothing. It's hard to work. It's hard to do anything. I mean, shit, if you're trying to get busy with your lady, if you're trying to bang your lady, you can't even do that without focusing. You know what I'm saying? Because you're too busy trying to cry about the pain. I mean, the pain is literally that bad where it's going to make a grown man cry. It feel like a fucking knife is stuck in my head, in my mouth, and somebody twisting it. And just think about that pain all day. Like, you can't even eat. You can barely eat. You can barely bite down on your teeth. If it do, you're going to cause a tremendous pain where it's going to make you just start feeling like, damn, I might as well just kill myself. Shit. So, I just want to let people know that this product here, Red Cross, hold on, I'm driving. People act like they can't fucking drive. This Red Cross toothache medication, this is the shit right here. You see it say relieves throbbing pain. This is for people. They made this because people overseas can't afford to see dentists. They can't, people just living out in the jungle and shit, just living with nobody to really go to over there in a lot of places. So this is why they made something like this, but they sell it. And I swear to God that this relieved the pain for me instantly. It felt like the knife was pulled out my head and the doctor just said, you're gonna be okay. That's what it felt like. And I could just jump for joy when I started feeling the pain go down. I was like, man, I haven't felt this good in days. I mean, if the pain won't go away, it'll at least hold you off until you go to the doctor or to the dentist or whatever. And more than likely, they just gonna give you some pain pills that's real strong. Because I was taking ibuprofen, Aleve, I was taking everything to keep the pain down, and that shit wasn't even working. I mean, I was doing some crazy shit like popping 8 pills, 8 Aleves, and then within that 10-hour window of the Aleve pill supposed to be doing its job, I'm popping 5 or 6 Motrins. So think about that. All them pain pills didn't even stop the pain, but this shit here stopped the pain. Along with the pain pills do kind of help. It does help, but this makes it even better. So anybody out there who want a really good toothache product, this here is really good, and I guarantee you will be so happy that you found this. So anybody gonna comment on it, leave a comment, a like, share this video, whatever. It helped me. It definitely helped me get a whole night of sleep, which I ain't been able to get that all week, cause I've been up all night on in the fetal position, trying to avoid going, just trying to do anything to keep the pain down. Gargling with salt water, alcohol. I mean, I wanted to knock myself out, but can't do that. So go ahead and get this product. I'm gonna leave some more info about it in the description, and holler at your boy with the comments and let me know anybody else who had this problem. Do it work? Holler at y'all later.